Today I'll show you an easy way you can bake your cake. Easy to follow recipe. With your blender ready, you can make this very tasty cake that is less time consuming. I know so many people find baking very intimidating, but this recipe simplifies everything completely. All you need to do is just to watch the steps. It's so easy and you can make this tasty cake just for a short period of time. So here I added 3 whole eggs to my blender. I use non-flavored oil, so use any non-flavored oil. I added sugar and 1 cup of milk. So I'll be listing all the ingredients that I use on my description. So I added 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So I added cornstarch. I like adding cornstarch whenever I'm doing my cake because it makes it more moist. So I added baking powder, vanilla powder, this is optional, and salt. So I'll blend everything together. I don't need to whip anything. I will blend everything for perfect mixture. So with this recipe, it's easy for you to bake your cake and use this for your tea. It's very perfect for your morning tea. You can see it's ready. So I'll be pouring it inside my pan. You can use any pan of your choice. So I want to use this pan specifically because I like the design. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this. This is very easy and simple recipe you can make. Now my cake is ready. Still hot. You can see. Came out so well. Will you be trying this recipe? This is very easy to make. Just simple ingredients you can get within your kitchen. You're good to go. No too much preparation. Put everything inside blender and you're good to go. You can see it's so moist, so hot. The aroma is something else. This is so good. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. This is Tori. So remember, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share. You can see the cake is almost gone because so many people like it. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.